Israel continues to kill civilians in Gaza. More civilians fall victim to Israel's latest airstrikes on the Gaza Strip, as the regime's genocidal war on the besieged territory enters its sixth month. An Israeli bombing of the Al Zaytun neighborhood in the Gaza city on Tuesday killed 2 Palestinians and injured several others. The city has also witnessed another attack on Palestinians queuing for aid deliveries, leaving several of them seriously injured. In central Gaza, 6 civilians, including a journalist working for the Al-Aqsa channel, were killed in the Israeli bombardment of Deir al-Balah. The number of journalists killed since the start of Israel's genocidal war now stands at 133. To the south, reports say Israel has cut internet access in large areas in Rafah. Since the start of the aggression, Israel has killed at least 30,631 Palestinians, mostly women and children according to the latest count by the Gaza Health Ministry. Gaza children starving to death as Israel throttles aid, WHO chief. Children are dying of starvation and dehydration in northern Gaza, as Israel's throttling of aid has cut off the supply of vital resources into the area for months, according to the Director General of World Health Organization, WHO. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus spoke of grim findings at 2 hospitals in northern Gaza, after a WHO team finally managed to visit the area for the first time since October. He wrote in a message on the X on Monday that the lack of food resulted in the deaths of 10 children at Kamal Adwan Hospital, the only pediatrics hospital in the north of Gaza. Severe levels of malnutrition, children dying of starvation, serious shortages of fuel, food and medical supplies, hospital buildings destroyed. Tedros further said that the situation at Al-Auda Hospital, the second facility visited in Gaza by the WHO team, was particularly appalling as one of the buildings is destroyed. He said the visits were the UN agency's first since Israel started its brutal military campaign in the Palestinian territory, despite our efforts to gain more regular access to the north of Gaza. Ever since, many humanitarian agencies have had to halt operations in Gaza, meaning hundreds of thousands of people will not have access to aid. The WHO team's visit to the north follows reports that 6 children died from dehydration and malnutrition at the 2 hospitals. The Israeli regime's offensive targeted began in October in Gaza's north, where 1 in 6 children under age 2, or 15.6%, is acutely malnourished. The area, home to an estimated 300,000 people, is now left in ruins, with 80% of its buildings destroyed. The medical facilities have gone out of service owing to a lack of fuel to run their generators. Civilians, especially children and health staff, need scaled-up help immediately, but the key medicine all these patients need is peace.